Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another episode of Exposing Andre, brought to you by the man himself, David Payne, aka the GOAT. Also, David Stanley, known as the Apache Breed Son, and myself, the Pastor of Disaster. Pretty self explanatory. In this episode, we're exposing Andre and doxing him. And this is going to be a series of videos. His birthday's clearly February of 1989, age 35. There's all of his family members. We're doing this because he brought Dave Payne's daughter into the picture and then doxed him. So we're going to do a series of videos and take it up 5 notches from there. Andre, you're not in control of what happens to you going forward. That's going to be up to me, David Stanley, and David Payne. Specifically, you're going to be the beta cuck, okay, and we're going to be the alpha bucks. Okay, you're going to toe the line and do as we say. And if you don't, it's simply going to be to your detriment. Period. End of story. And we all know what you're going to do, so we'll just go with the latter, and eventually it's going to catch up to you, and we'll hold you accountable. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Have a good day.